Things you didn't know. Using Ctrl K to quickly insert links. Living with technology has made our lives so much easier, especially when it comes to finding and sharing information with students and colleagues. But these URLs for websites are often terribly long or create some really unsightly text when pasted into your document. I want to show you how you can hyperlink any text or object that's going to create visually appealing hyperdocs. Here's how. To start, we want to locate the website or item that we want to link to. Right now, I'm going to link to this video on the Revolutionary War. To start, I'm going to select my URL and I'm going to copy it to my clipboard using Ctrl+C or right-clicking and hitting copy. Then I'm going to move into my document. Today we're working in PowerPoint. Since I'm linking to a video, I want to link this word video to that YouTube page that I just copied the address for. I highlight the word video and I'm going to now hit Ctrl and K, and it pulls up a bunch of options for me, but down here you'll see address. And right here, I can paste that URL that I copied from YouTube. Once I hit OK, it links this word video directly to that YouTube page. So if I hit Control and I click, it'll launch that YouTube page right there. Now, if I didn't already have text typed, but I want to link something else in this document, like the timeline of the Revolutionary War, I can again copy my URL, and within this text box, I can hit Ctrl+K, and that insert hyperlink box pops up again. I'm going to once again paste my URL here, but up here where it says text to display, I can remove that URL and I can type in whatever text I want it to say. Timeline of the Revolution. When I hit OK, it inserts the hyperlink with the exact text that I wanted it to be. This can also be done for images or text boxes the same way, and across other programs like Microsoft Word or Outlook, and it also works on the web. Just remember, anytime you want to insert a link, go ahead and hit Ctrl+K.